It's day 10 of the Diddy trial, and we have Capricorn Clark's cross-examination. Let's get into it, family. Ms. Clark, you are still under oath. We met in April 2024. You had a lawyer, Brian Friedman? Yes. You wanted to come back and work with Mr. Combs, right? We discussed it, yes. You saw Miss Geragos taking notes? Yes. You said you didn't think Cassie was good for Mr. Combs. Why? I just thought they were toxic. Tell me about when you were in NY. I was in the Bronx. I hated it. It was 2002. I met Jeanette, then Mr. Combs. In 2001 was the World Trade Center thing. Then I met Mr. Combs. He wasn't doing right. He did E in Daddy House. But it got worse? Yes. You authorized Mr. Freeman to seek a job for you? It was all very procedural, lawyer to lawyer. But you were told you couldn't be given a job in the middle of the investigation. I don't remember that. Read this and let me know when you're done. Do you remember saying you had the biggest crush on him? Objection 403. Mr. Agnew. State of mind, it's being offered for the truth. We had a stipe on this. And then they have a sidebar. They come back. You called him Chalk for chocolate, right? I did. You started with Def Jam, Run DMC? I don't go back that far. I'm more Foxy Brown, Redline, Jay-Z. So how did you come to work for Mr. Combs? I put my resume on Monster after the World Trade Center thing. He said, you'd work for me? I was like, maybe. He was acting on Broadway in Raisin in the Sun. I was impressed. He had a major part. He was a star. Then I shadowed him on the Vote or Die campaign. My job was to get the t-shirts on the celebrities and into the photo shoots. I'd call them and say Puff wanted them to come. And they came? They did. How long before the Julie missing thing? It was about 4 months. On the 4th of July, he threw a white party at his home on the Hamptons that year with Vote or Die. When did Jules go missing? After July 4th. The jewels were still on loan from Jacob the jeweler. Who else got lie detector? Mike B, his stylist. He too had gone to street level of 1440 for manicures. The lie detector test was the next day. You never told HR? No. I got fired for 3 weeks. How did you get unfired? I went to work on his 35th birthday at Cipriani to do the celebrity list. I came back. 2004 to 2006? Not all. As personal assistant, then liaison. I was making $65,000 for Combs, then $90,000 at Job. Why'd you come back to Combs? I had gotten top records for R. Kelly. Mr. Combs said he was impressed. Asked me to come back for Sean John for Women. I think I was a really good employee for him. He told you you were awesome? He did not use that word. You worked hard for him? I did. Others worked hard too, right? Not as hard as me. I did learn a lot from Mr. Combs. He broke that glass ceiling for us black people in the business world. You need a minute? No, it's just complicated. And that's when the judge says that they'll take a break. And then when the jury and the witnesses move out of the courtroom on DNA questions to Inspector Jimenez, the government's objection is overruled. So when they asked for a bit longer, the government, they said that we've not been able to eat lunch and they're running ahead of schedule. Our case may be closer to 5 weeks than 6 weeks. What do y'all think? Leave in the comments below. Peace and one love.